Hey guys, hope you are doing well and enjoying your sunny Sunday. So the crypto market looks really bullish today after Bitcoin just broke up the 44 and 45,000 US dollar, consolidating about these levels, and altcoins are catching up. So my name is Mike Dankler. I'm the co-founder of CorionX and bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, some altcoin, NFT, DeFi stuff every day to keep you updated and educated. Nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education. So let's share my screen and please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, push the bell, notification all, and enjoy the show. Okay, so let's go and check our favorite bubble chart. As you see, few coins are correcting, but they just really went up really nicely. That is why they are giving back. But others that haven't pumped yet, they are pumping now. Curve, Helium, Algorand, Shiba as well, Neo, Tezos is doing really great. Kutum, R-Wave is pumping again. OMG, EOS, ICX, Luna. Guys, I told you that Luna will run really further, as almost 100 of projects will be launched on Luna in the coming weeks and months. So I'm really bullish on Luna. Let's go and check the fear and crypto fear and greed index. You see now we are in the neutral zone at 49. Yesterday the index was at 54. And you remember last week there was a few days that the index went down to the extreme fear zone, also to 20, and now just bounced back a little bit. And also you remember during the summer months that there was a huge fear out there, and the index was in the near 10 and 20. And as we know, that extreme fear, that a good occasion to buy, because you can buy cheaper, and when investors are getting too greedy, that is due for a correction. So now we are coming from the fear zone to the neutral zone, so everything's okay with this. Let's go and check our first news. Bitcoin history repeating, not repeating, but always rhymes. Three indicators suggest October will reignite the BTC bull market. Okay, so that sounds cool. What are these? So this is where we see that historically September is a bad month to Bitcoin, but October, November, December used to be a really good months, especially October. Just there was two years that Bitcoin performed badly, so everything looks good, as if we are seeing this seasonality. So institutional inflows is one of the reasons that institutions are coming in. Bitcoin-based products saw the highest level of inflows out of any asset, averaging 31.2 million per week. So 31.2 million is flowing in Bitcoin weekly, and you see that Solana, Cardano, Ethereum also getting new inflows. Then next fractal, the 20-week exponential moving average, and Bitcoin is now moving around this. Let's make it bigger and see that this is the 20-week exponential moving average, and now Bitcoin just retested it. And previous times when Bitcoin bounced from these levels, that was a huge run up in the price. And then we are just wondering in this time, maybe we will see something similar. So the 20-week exponential moving average is an important factor. And the next is the bull pennant breakout. Another technical indicator that has been predicted bullish outcome for Bitcoin is the bull pennant. Okay, this is the bull pennant. It's a kind of bull flag. It's a bullish pattern, and then this is the flagpole, so we can will have these highs in the price increase as this fractal will unfold. Okay, and this will make the path to 50,000 and further 100,000 toward 100,000 US dollars. So that's these three indicators we should definitely watch. And let's go to our next news, that three factors that can send Ethereum price to 100% gains in Q4. Why just 100%? I hope that will be more. Okay, so Ethereum also broke up and now consolidating about 3,400 looks really good. And Ether Bitcoin correlation against rising US inflation. So this is why some few people expecting that Bitcoin, there will be a higher demand for Bitcoin because the inflation. Okay, so we see Bitcoin price just pumped, and there was a core inflation report released, and also then Ethereum pumped in the same time. So Michael Saylor also pushing crypto adoption and Bitcoin further, and we see these central bank rates, the inflation. So Argentina -13, but also developed countries like Australia, Canada, Eurozone has 4% inflation. The next in fractal is the supply squeeze, that we see that less and less Ethereums are on exchanges, and also the efficiently temporarily removed 8 million Ethereum from circulation. So if I'm right, 8 million Ethereum was burned. Okay, so this is the Ethereum price, and this is the total value staked. So we see that higher levels of numbers of Ethereums are logged on in Ethereum 2.0 smart contracts, and also staked in different DeFi. And as you see, this is the Ethereum hold on exchanges, and it's decreasing, and that is why it will lead a supply shock. The next fractal why Ethereum could double from here, the cap and handle or cap and holder. So this fractal is a bullish fractal. Now we see that the holder will be finished soon, and if we will break out, then this high will be the next target. It's almost 2,200 levels, so that will bring Ethereum to 6,000. Okay, so that was a nice outlook why Ethereum can go from here, and let's go forward, see why MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor says China crypto ban largely irrelevant for Bitcoin. So this is huge. So he says that if you had dumped the shares of Google, Facebook, and Twitter in 2010 because you heard that China was going to ban it, you would have lost obscene amounts of money. Trillions of dollars have been made on technologies banned by China. So that is why you don't have to worry that China banned Bitcoin. And also he says that I haven't seen any regulator actually debate that Bitcoin is a digital store of value. So all of them agreeing that Bitcoin is a digital store of value. Everybody just wants it to be regulated appropriately, and I think the regulators have agreed. So this is a really nice video and article about Michael Saylor. And let's go to our next news. Morgan Stanley's pill, Bitcoin is becoming an institutional topic. And don't forget, guys, there was a survey this week that shows that 62% of institutional investors planning to buy and invest in crypto in the next 1 year. Andrew Peel said he sees traditional finance and digital asset continuing to evolve in parallel, but at some point they will join, so that traditional services will be available on blockchain. So definitely also we know that in Switzerland, few banks using Tezos blockchain to launch products on Tezos. Bitcoin as an asset class has become more of an institutional topic, certainly from macro investors. The growth in DeFi can be ignored. And on one hand, these platforms grow significantly, but they are also limited on regulatory requirements, he said. Cool, sounds good. And let's go. We already read this. And the next, also, we got the news that TikTok to release Ethereum NFTs with Lil Nas X, Gary Vee, and Grimes. And what other major news that these NFT collectibles will be on Immutable X. This is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. So this is important that these NFTs will be launched on Ethereum with Immutable X. So our next piece of news is Societe Generale proposes historic 20 million US dollar DAI loan in exchange for bond tokens. So this is the first financial institutions, a bank who is proposing a 20 million DAI loan. The digital asset division of the institutional bank wants to provide home loan-backed security tokens as collateral for the loan. So they will collateralize mortgages, and then they will put this behind the loan and using DAI. Cool. The next piece of news is Doge co-founder sets sights on Ethereum bridge and NFT for mass adoption. So we know that Vitalik Buterin also is on the board of the Doge Foundation, and they are working together, and the Doge co-founder wants to bridge Doge to Ethereum and enter NFTs. So I think that will be huge, and maybe that will help Doge to go from here, because I see it a little bit stuck. Our next piece of news is Terra's first NFT project is a space-themed loot derivative. So this is the first NFT project on Terra, and you know Terra Luna is launching almost 100 projects and applications on top of it, and that is why I'm really bullish on Terra Luna. Let's go and check what the market is doing. As you see, Tezos is just broke up from here, and this W pattern has its target here. So definitely it's really good to see how this breakout worked out well, and if there will be some pullback, that I would definitely jump into. And as we see, almost all altcoins are doing great. Just check Bitcoin. Bitcoin is consolidating around 48,000 and forming a new bull flag here, and then we broke up. So I would definitely watch these levels. I think the breakout will happen tomorrow because today is weekend, and Bitcoin dominance is just coming a little bit down after breaking this trend line. Ethereum is also doing well, trading about 3,400 and also forming a kind of bull flag. So almost all the coins are looking really good, and definitely should follow altcoins, because if they will get some new product launch and news, that definitely they will pump. So guys, this is for today. Please smash the like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friend. Let's see you tomorrow, and CorionX will announce some nice partnerships. So definitely be around and follow our announcement channel. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.